Well, tractor ain't running too well. It's missing on the right cylinder, I think. Let me fire it up, let you listen to it. It skips as shit. I don't know what's wrong with it. I haven't checked the spark plugs yet, but I don't know. Let me fire it up, let you listen to it. And it won't start unless I use the choke, even though if it's warm or cold. And usually if it's warm, I don't have to use the choke. I won't start unless I use the choke. So I don't know. I'll let you listen to it. Here we go. Hear it? See it shaking. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just running like shit. Hear it popping a little bit, I don't know. Might be a speck of dirt in the carburetor, but as soon as you rev it up, it's fine. I don't know. Only at idle it fucks up. So I don't know if it's a speck in the carburetor, dirt or something, or a bad spark plug, or the spark plug or the wires arcing out on something. I have no idea. But hopefully it's not something too serious. Anyone knows about these motors. It's a 23 horsepower V-twin motor Kohler. So I don't know. It's an LT1050. So if anyone knows about these motors or knows what the hell's going on with it, just let me know. And I know it's missing on the right cylinder, like I said, and I don't know if I said it or not, but it's missing on the right cylinder. If anyone knows, just let me know. Alright, see ya.